Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about projection. So now I will show you the technique. The question they ask, what is the vector projection of vector A onto vector B? So the formula in this situation, that should be about vector A multiplied with vector B over the absolute value of vector B square multiplied with vector B. So we need to apply the formula in here. Vector A multiplied with vector B. So we got about 4 multiplied with negative number 5 plus 2 multiplied with number 3 plus negative number 6 multiplied with negative number 2 so we got about negative number 2 about the absolute value of vector B with the square in here. So that should be about like this. We have the square root and we have negative number 5 square, number 3 square, and negative number 2 square, and we got the final answer. That is about the square root of 38. And now we will apply on the number for this formula. So on numerator we have negative number 2. Denominator, that's about 38. Because we have the square in here, that's why we don't have the square root. And vector B, that should be about negative number 5, number 3, negative number 2. And now we can find vector projection. So we have this number in here, multiply with negative number 5, number 3, and negative number 2. And we got about 5 over 19. Negative number 3 over 19, and the last one 2 over 19, and this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.